Welcome to Hookdeck. Today, we are going to learn how to fan out webhooks using the UI by going through a simple example together. But before we get started, I will first explain how fan out works in Hookdeck. In Hookdeck, when we receive a event to your source URL, we will naturally be delivering copies of it to all its associated destination. This is useful when you want to send copies of the same webhook to different services or when you're working on multiple environments. So let's get started with our example. Here in our dashboard, we have a connection that is a source URL of Shopify. Let's add a second connection. We'll call it service 2, and I will be using the default rule set. Perfect. Now I will be using the source URL in Shopify webhook to validate that the FANAP behavior works correctly. Here, I'll be sending a test notification, and in Hookdeck, let's validate if we receive this payload. Not only do we receive the payload, we can validate here that with the ID, both of these requests are exactly the same. Our fanout worked. So there you have it. This was webhook fanout using Hookdeck UI. In our next video, we will learn how to customize this behavior with event filters. Thank you for listening, and I'll see you in our next video.